राम सर्वेभ्यः हार्दं स्वागतम्। अद्य समारोप समारम्भः अस्ति। उपस्थितेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः हार्दं स्वागतम्। प्रथमतया भवन्तः सर्वे एतावन्तानि दिनानि कक्षां प्रति आगतवन्तः। एतावन्ति दिनानि ज्योतिषविषयान् सरलतया सुलभतया बोधितवते डॉक्टर रामकृष्ण महोदयाय वाकुसुमैः धन्यवादान् समर्पयामि। धन्यवादः महोदय। इदानीं कक्ष्याविषये किञ्चित् वक्तुम् इच्छामि। अत्र कोर्स स्टैटिस्टिक्स द्रष्टुम् इच्छामि। So here is the course analytics. We had for 11 days with 10.5 hours of interaction, and registered learners were around 390. And out of these people, regularly we had around 30 to 40 people. Out of the average is 18.5 people. And since we have completed the course, when is the assessment? It will be either 3rd or 4th week of October. Further details as to what is the format, everything will be shared through email. So before we start with the seva metrics, Mahodaya idanim prarthaye bhavatah anubhavam द्वित्रिवाक्ये कथयतु इति।
पुनः प्रणामाः सर्वेभ्यः। वस्तुतः अत्र चर्चाः याः सम्पन्नाः एकं तावत् मम एतदस्ति यत् मुखदर्शनं यदि भवति तर्हि इंटराक्शन् इतोपि सम्यक् भवति। तत्तु वयम् इदानीम् ऑनलाइन युगे स्मः। प्रत्यक्ष चर्चासु सम्यक् कश्चन अनुभवः। वस्तुतः तादृशः एव अनुभवः अत्रापि मया प्राप्तः इति कश्चन विशेषः। अत्र ये प्रश्नाः अत्र कृताः प्रतिसत्रं मध्ये एव अन्ते तेन एतत् स्फुटं मया ज्ञायते स्म, अवगन्तुं शक्यम् आसीत् यत् सर्वेपि आसक्त्या अत्र शृण्वन्तः सन्ति, पुनश्च फॉलो कुर्वन्तः सन्ति इत्यपि मम विशिष्य तत्र लक्ष्मीवर्य एवं अर्णवर्यः एवं जयराम वर्यः एते कानिचित् नामानि फ्रीक्वेंटली अहम् अत्र प्रश्नोत्तर सत्रेषु पश्यन् अस्मि। मोहन वर्यः तस्मात् हेतोः भवतां यद्यपि तत्र चर्चाः मम महते मोदाय अकल्पन्त, पुनश्च एतादृश चर्चाः मम बोधाय अपि, न केवलं मोदाय, मम बोधाय अपि, ममापि तत्र बहवः अंशाः इतोपि स्फुटीकर्तव्याः इति प्राप्ताः। पुनश्च मध्ये उत्तमाः चर्चाः अपि, गणितविषये वा भवतु, सिद्धान्तविषये वा भवतु, आधुनिक सिद्धान्तेषु वा भवतु, तत्सर्वं महते मोदाय अकल्पत। यथा मया प्रागुक्तम्, इदं तु आरम्भमात्रम्, अतः सर्वेषु अपि भवताम् आसक्तिः अत्यन्तं मुदावः। इयम् आसक्तिः इतोपि अनुवृत्ता भवतु। पुनश्च वयम् एतादृशं यदि कोऽपि अत्र इतोपि अधिकं ज्ञातुम् इच्छति तर्हि सम्पर्कमपि कर्तुं वयम् उत्तरत्र वयं द्रक्ष्यामः। किमपि विभिन्नेषु व्योम्नः अपि अत्र इदं महद्वर्तते यत् बहून् पाठ्यक्रमान् एवं दूरस्थेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः अपि उपकल्पयन्तः ते महान्तम् उपकारं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति। विशिष्य व्योमशब्दः अपि सः तद् व्योम व्यापकं वर्तते। अत्र वयं द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः विभिन्नेभ्यः प्रदेशेभ्यः जनाः व्योम्नाः साहाय्येन विभिन्नानि शास्त्राणि विभिन्नानि विषयांश्च अधीयानाः सन्ति। अहं तेभ्योऽपि अहं विशेषेण अभिनन्दनानि अर्पयामि। विशिष्य अत्र पाठनविषये वा भवतु, पुनश्च एतद्विषये वा अत्र व्यवस्थाविषये वा भवतु, तेषां महत् साहाय्यमासीत्। महेश्वरी एवं तत्र नागश्रीवर्य सन्ततं सम्पर्के आसीत्, येन ममापि सौकर्यम् अभवत्। तस्मात् भवद्भ्यः सर्वेभ्यः अपि तत्र व्योम्नः ये सदस्याः सन्ति तेभ्यः सर्वेभ्योऽपि अहम् अभिनन्दनानि वितनोमि। इदं 10मं वर्षमपि एवमेव अभिवर्धतामित्यपि अहं भगवती आशासे प्रार्थये। पुनश्च अत्र भागग्राहिणः ये सन्ति ते भवतां सर्वेषामपि अयम् उत्साहः एवमेव वर्धताम् इत्यपि उक्त्वा अहम् उपसंहरामि। सर्वेभ्यः प्रणामः।
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. I will just tell this in English. We hope to see you in many more courses through Vyoma. We hope to see you teaching us more students, and all of us, let us be in this journey. Dhanyavadaha. Before we move further, I will just make the Vyoma appeal, followed by students. If you are willing to share your valuable feedback about the course, you are free to actually share it. After I do, you can just raise your hand so that we will promote you panelist and you can share your feedback. So we do have 3 websites. As all of us are aware, it is sanskritfromhome.org, Digital Sanskrit Guru, and vyomalabs.in. Here is the Seva metrics. We have around 18 multimedia products, 290 plus free courses, 16 mobile applications, and 6,700 plus hours of video and audio content. And also we are almost reaching 50,000 by Bhagavad Kripa. We are near 49,000, and this was all because of all the learners. So thank you. And how can you always be part of this journey? By actually practicing what is taught in the class for at least 30 minutes, and also by referring our Vyoma courses, products, or sharing knowledge to interested people, so that they will also spread an awareness about learning Sanskrit. And this is how we can be in this journey. Also, you can help us by donating or by volunteering. You will get 80G tax benefit. You can just go to our website, click on the donate button, and you can help us. Or you can also click on the volunteer button and share your interest or skills, so that it will be helpful for our company. As well as you can also make NEFT payment or wire transfer. For people staying abroad, you can just head to our website, vyomausa.org, and donate. And this is purely optional. It is not compulsion. And also we are in our social, you kindly follow our social media handles. We are in Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. And you can always reach out to us through email, WhatsApp, Skype, or call. The email address is sanskritfromhome.org, sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in, sorry. Or call us, or all these details are available in the website. So let us all learn Sanskrit and be really happy. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. We will be shortly sharing the assessment details, followed by the feedback form. We request all the participants or the learners to kindly fill the form and help us become better, so that your feedback is very valuable for us to improve in the upcoming courses that we offer through Vyoma. Now, I request learners to kindly raise your hand in case if you have anything to share about this course or anything. Yes, Lakshmi Bhagini. Ram Ram Ram. Ram 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 Bhagini.
Hari Om, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I should sincerely thank Ramakrishna ji for taking up this opportunity to enlighten us a little bit about astronomy, Indian astronomy. And but this is a purely a very beautiful experience, because it's something that I had been looking forward for a very long time, and I got this online, sitting at home, just listen to this beautiful lecture. It really thrilled me a lot, and I'm really thankful to Vyoma Labs also for setting up this opportunity through an online platform. So in case you are going to come up with anything related to this, sir, especially picking up a specific text like Surya Siddhanta or Aryabhatiya, whatever it could be, we are very eagerly looking forward to that. with studying a specific text and understanding more about these concepts. And the most important thing is the association of mathematics to Indian astronomy, and it shows the way we had actually evolved a long time ago into this kind of computations, which are actually very complex also. Really thanks to you for giving us a detailed insight into all those things. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you, Lakshmi Bhagini. Arnab Mahodaya.
Namaha Sarvabhyah. This was a pleasure to attend the course. Jyotish, I was always interested and was reading bits and pieces from here and there. But the problem was many of the terms, etc., I really could not get it. So, then this actually helped me get some of these terms. So now I think I feel more confident that I can now go back and try to read some of these translations, maybe some of these things, etc., a little bit more. And I'll be looking forward to more courses on Jyotish from our guru and otherwise also in these courses. So just one more request, if you can give us some extended homework in the sense that how to carry on. This course is finished, but to do something more, then that will be very good. So, thank you very much.
Can you say a few words about you?
Oh, sure. So I am actually a professor of computer science and engineering at IIT Kanpur. So I am interested in Sanskrit and many of these Indian things, and I've been trying to read, etc. So this is very, I can see also computational aspect here, but this is mostly out of interest.
Dhanyavadaha, Arnab Mahodaya. Jairam Mahodaya.
So first, please introduce yourself and then share your thoughts, share your experience.
Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yeah, we can hear. Yeah, we can hear.
I'm a little bit outside, so I don't want to turn on my video, if that's okay. Namaskara, I'm based in London, just to let you know, London, UK. I studied Samskrita at school and college many years ago, back in India. So I'm so happy I've been doing a lot more. I'm actually teaching Samskrita here in London, a local course. I mean, not at your level, sir, very small, basic level. So thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful course. I mean, to be very honest, I think I understood about 60 to 70% only. I mean, some topics were a bit difficult to understand, but you were very kind to explain. So I will go back and review the classes again and again. One small note, I just sent you a note. I just created a WhatsApp group for our class. If it's possible, please share that link with everybody. So only thing is, some of the other courses we have done, this WhatsApp group has been very helpful because we can, any further discussions or something we can. So, okay, sir, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Anybody else? If you are interested, you can just raise your hand. If not, anyhow, we will be sharing the feedback form, so you can share your testimonials there itself. So I'm sure we have finished with the class. Thank you so much for successfully completing the course, sir. Dhanyavadaha. We will just end the session with Shanti Mantra.
Sure. Yes.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. Dhanyavadaha.